All right. Hi guys, welcome back. I have a guest. This is my boyfriend Kyle. Kyle, say hi.
Hello.
All right. Today we're trying all sorts of flavors of these nasty ass marshmallows. So, I've got my water. I've got my spit bag. Neither of us like Peeps, by the way, so this shall be definitely interesting. And if you hear noise in the background, it's the cats. Just ignore them. So, what flavor do you want to try first? Oh, I'll just tell you the flavors. We have party cake, sour watermelon, fruit punch, and I think this one's going to be my least favorite because I don't even like fruit punch.
I'm excited for
Pancakes and syrup, and then I think this will be my favorite, cotton candy. And this is the biggest one. I don't even know why. But anyways, I put it in this cute little basket, but I don't even want the basket anymore. All right, what flavor do you want to try first?
Let the cats pick one. I don't care.
They're playing by themselves. What flavor do you want to try? Do you want to try fruit punch?
I don't care.
I want to get the worst one out of the way. We're going to try fruit punch first.
For the record, I did not sign up for this.
I signed him up. It smells like fruit punch Kool-Aid.
No, this is not going to be good.
Can you guys smell?
No, they cannot smell.
That... Don't get too close to it.
I'm not eating all of that.
No, I'm not either. I'm going to get one and you're going to get one.
How you eat Peeps.
No, but for real. We are going to try these. I'm just going to take a bite out of it.
Let me get one. We have to do it at the same time. No.
We can both take a bite out of it.
Oh my god.
You ready?
1, 2, 3, go. No. Nasty as hell. Actually, it's not that bad after you.
It's like the outside coating. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like powder. No.
No.
Okay. In the trash. What do you want to do next? I picked the first one.
Ooh, pancakes and syrup.
Okay. Here we go. Do you like the basket? If he plays in it, we might just have to keep it. Do you like it? Well, now we're keeping the basket. If our cats like anything, we just hold on to it.
This is real.
And that's Rio, and that black and white one's Denbei. Comment down below if you get the reference.
Well, they're not going to because we say Denbei and his name is Denbei.
Anyway, it sounds the same, so. These smell like straight maple syrup.
Ooh, fire. Oh, we hear.
There's cat hair on it. Can you see it? No, you can't. You can't see it at all. All right. Pancakes and syrup. No.
Ah!
You can't have it. Now there's cat hair all over it. This actually isn't that bad. It just tastes like syrup. But since my cat decided to put his paw in it, there's cat hair all over it. Do you like it?
No.
Not at all.
I can't even swallow it.
I swallowed it. It wasn't bad. It just tastes like syrup, I think.
It was way too much syrup.
Mm-hmm. Like if you doused all your pancakes in syrup, that's what it tasted like pretty much. All right, let's try something different. gonna do sour watermelon. These don't really smell like anything.
Ooh, I smell the watermelon.
Do you? Oh, they're pink inside. That's cool. You see? They're like green on the outside, like a watermelon would be. That's cute. All right, sour watermelon. I like it. So far, this is the only one I've liked. I like watermelon flavored stuff. Okay, no, I don't like it.
Yeah. Boo.
A couple bites.
This is why I don't like Peeps.
I like marshmallows. I could just like eat marshmallows anytime. But these, I don't know what they do. They make these taste funny. Which one?
I don't care.
We have 2 left.
Party cake.
Okay. Good, we're saving the best for last. Party cake. I can like taste the sour on the side of my tongue. They do not make these easy to get into. They smell like straight birthday cake.
Oh,
With vanilla frosting.
I don't even know if I can even.
They have these little like confettis all over them. These just look weird. Like these don't even look like little birds. They look like
smell.
scary
Let
like
Denbei smell.
swans. He eats anything. He doesn't like them.
He would have already tried to lick at him if he
Yeah.
liked him.
I actually made cupcakes one day and put frosting on them. And I forgot that I left them on the counter, and he can hop up on the counter. Can't you? Yes. He can hop up on our counters. And I came out to the kitchen, and there was just the frosting missing off of 2 cupcakes. And I was like,
Fuck the rest of the cupcake.
just the frosting is all he wanted.
I haven't even. I just.
It's white inside.
1,
2,
2, 3.
5. Oh, God. Oh, that was the worst one. Throw these in the trash.
I honestly like the sugar. It was the cake part that threw me off.
Yeah, the outside was okay, but like the cake. Ugh. He's taking it like a champ. All right. I hope this one's good because cotton candy is my favorite.
You're gonna be so disappointed when it's not good.
I'm gonna be so disappointed if it's not good.
Just copied what I said.
No, I was accentuating what you said.
Comment below how you think my haircut looks. Something kill it.
Do you think he has a mushroom head, or do you think it looks okay?
It's horrible, let's be honest.
I think it doesn't look too bad.
She's tripping.
Comment below.
Yeink. 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 Not even line up. Look, the line is crooked.
Stop messing with your hair.
Are you gonna open those?
I'm trying. It smells just like cotton candy. It smells so good. They
Let them
smell
smell.
like what they're supposed to.
Let them smell. Nope. Turn around.
But
Tasting wise.
taste-wise, I think if they weren't Peeps, they'd taste better.
But they Peeps.
Yeah, but they're Peeps.
I don't know how they're still in business.
I don't either, because I don't think I've met a single person who likes Peeps.
Ready?
This just tastes like marshmallow with like little blue candy pieces outside.
Mm.
This is the best one.
I can care less for it. Actually,
I like it.
I didn't finish not one of them.
That birthday cake one.
How'd you like it, Denbei?
You like it?
Okay.
I like it. I won't sit there and eat it as a dessert. It won't come off my finger. All right. That's all we got. Our basket's empty. They're all going in the trash. Thank you for being on my video. Give this video a big thumbs up and pause up if you want to see more videos with this guy. And comment down below.
Say bye-bye, Denbei. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come here.
Hold on, we gotta say bye.
Come here. No.
Daddy.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. That's my cat.
Bye-bye.
That's my cat.
Anyways, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below video ideas or anything else you want to comment. Thumbs up if you want to see more of this guy. Any video, we'll do it. All right. Happy Monday. We'll see you guys next time.